Beautiful day at the St. Petersburg beach that we are enjoying. It is 66-degree temperature, so it's not warm to go in the water, but beautiful sunny day. We're gonna miss this when we go back to home, Midwest. We're gonna miss this beautiful vibe. I'm walking here, so pretty here. I'm thankful, I'm mindful for nature, sun, water, beautiful sandy beach. This is just amazing. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. I'll have a lot of cooking, traveling. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, thank you. Thank you all for everything.